Hi, and welcome to Brooks & Kirk's Assessor Training site. Brooks & Kirk started out just as a couple of registered nurses who had a passion for delivering personal and quality training. Over the last 20 years, we have grown to become one of the industry leaders for assessor, internal quality assurance and tutor training courses. As you can see, during this time, we have had the privilege of training assessors for some of the biggest organisations across the country. To name just a few, we have helped individuals from IBM, Prospero Teaching and Parenta all to gain the assessor qualifications they needed. Most notably of all, however, we are especially proud to say that we have worked with over 15 different NHS trusts to help improve the quality of training that is being delivered in the healthcare industry today. But nothing beats that feeling that we get when we help someone to switch to a more rewarding career and start a new chapter in their life. So, whatever industry you have experience in, and wherever you are based in the UK, if you train to become an assessor with Brooks & Kirk, you can be sure that you will be in safe, well qualified and experienced hands. Now, just in case you're thinking, well, that's all well and good, but I need access to learners to gain my assessor qualification. Not a problem. At Brooks & Kirk, we can even provide you with access to learners as part of your course. And it gets better still. Our courses also have no start or end dates, so you won't find a more flexible or accessible assessor course anywhere else. Obviously, we know that there are a lot of providers out there offering these courses, but we can assure you that you won't find another one like us. And you don't need to listen to us telling you that either. We have hundreds of lovely learner reviews across our website, Facebook and Google accounts for you to have a look at. Here's a taster of the kind of comments that we are lucky enough to receive on a weekly basis. So, if you are ready to find out more about what's involved with becoming an assessor with Brooks & Kirk, please get in touch today, and we look forward to helping you.